Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can start selling your digital product use Instagram without showing your face. And this is my own faceless Instagram account, and I have over 100 followers. I use it for selling my digital product, and a lot of people do the same thing. With faceless channel, promoting your digital product makes sales daily. Now we'll go on my Gumroad dashboard and here my results. Let's refresh the page and I made over $600 last 3 months. Now this is my all analytics and I will show you step by step how I do that. Now I use Submagic AI. This AI tool will create you AI influencer video reels to create daily content. And Submagic AI have a three payment plan. And I recommend you to start with a pro plan. It's good price. And if you want to try Submagic AI, you'll find the link in the description. Now we log in on Submagic AI and we'll choose AI Avatar Studio. Click on it. And here we choose your own AI influencer avatar that you want to create daily content with this. There are a lot of AI avatar here. Let's choose the one, click on it and paste your script. When you paste script, you choose the language you want this AI avatar talk it and click generate. And I have already my own AI influencer. I create content with this. Look at this AI. It's like a real human. Now you can change the captions, edit b-rolls, edit zooms. You can edit full video just one click. I use this AI influencer. Upload your video on Instagram. I put my ebook link on bio and make sales. This is my last month and let's choose the last 3 months. Let's click on 3 months and here my results. And I will show you my video I created today for selling my digital product. Let's review the video.
Want more energy, burn fat, and fight inflammation, all with one simple meal? Most people eat fast food or boring meals that leave them tired and bloated. But it doesn't have to be this way. I created clean eating bowls for energy, fat loss, and anti-inflammation. It's packed with recipes that boost energy, help you lose fat, and keep inflammation in check, without crazy diets or calorie counting. Grab your copy today and start transforming your meals into energy-boosting, fat-burning bowls. Click the link in my bio to get it now. Clean, simple, and delicious. Your body will thank you.
Upload your video on Instagram every day, create daily content, and you'll make sales. That's it in this video, and see you in the next one.